Alaikum. Today we are going to talk about some disturbances that can affect the immune system. Sometimes, normally, in some people, the immune system is not working properly because of sometimes heredity or sometimes because an infection or allergy or something from what we are going to talk. Normally, sometimes you see that one of your friends she becomes absent many times during winter, more than the others. So we will say maybe her immune system is not working well, or she has weak immunity. Most of the people say something like that. Sometimes this is true. Okay, also we are going to talk about the allergy. Allergy girls something that is personal, individual. يعني some people have allergy against something, others don't have it. Okay, sometimes maybe it is inherited, sometimes it is not. So it is something personally, depends on the person. Some people have allergy, some others don't have. Let's talk about it. By the help of this video. Now, the allergy is an overreaction of the immune system to a normally harmless substance. What do they mean, normally harmless substance? Called an allergen. Allergen here means a substance that causes the allergy. Okay, sometimes it is a normal substance. Maybe for some people it doesn't cause the allergy, but for this person it causes the allergy. So what is the allergy? In other words, it is the response of the immune system. يعني the immune system here will consider this substance like the antigen, like the pathogen. يعني will treat this substance somehow like the pathogen. Okay, it will consider it an antigen, like what we will see now. These allergens, common allergens, can be pollen, animal dander, down feathers, mites, chemicals, a variety of foods, some types of food like peanuts, banana, strawberries. Many people have allergy against these foods, but the rest of people don't have. Many people have allergy against pollen. So once spring comes, they will spend all the time sneezing, coughing, and they have sinus. Maybe it will become infection later. So this depends. Not all people have it. Let's see how it happens. Let's say someone has allergy against pollen. Once, mostly in spring, the pollen fills the air. Whenever you move outside, the air can have some pollen. So the pollen will enter to your nose. It will go to the mucus and to the lining of the nose. It will release something will be considered by the immune system as an antigen. This is the T cell. It will take what comes from the pollen as an antigen. Then it will activate the B cells to produce the antibodies. Then these antibodies by some cells are called mast cells. You don't take all of this, but it's okay to understand only. They will cause the release of a substance called histamine. This histamine, the antibodies cause the release of the histamine. They will widen the blood vessels, okay, and they will cause all these symptoms that you feel if you have this allergy: sneezing, coughing, and the headache also. It comes from the widening of the blood vessels, and many other allergy symptoms. This is an example of the allergy symptoms. Sometimes the allergy symptoms can be fatal, can kill the person, such as the allergy to penicillin. Penicillin is a kind of antibiotic. Some people have allergy to penicillin that can lead to death within minutes. So that's why when you go to the hospital, if you will take antibiotic treatment, they will make a test for allergy on your skin to see if you have this allergy. They will avoid giving you any of the penicillin antibiotics or any antibiotics from the family of penicillin. Okay, this is some information about the allergy. Yani what we want to know here, that it is a response of the immune system, like it will react against the allergens, like somehow like the reaction against the pathogens, which is not something we don't want, but it happens. The response of our immune system against the pathogens, this defends our body. This what we want, what we need. But on the other hand, it responds to some allergens, a response that we don't want, but it happens. Okay, how we deal with that? We can take some medicines, we can avoid the allergens. Yani someone knows that she has allergy against dust, she should avoid against dust, against sand, she should avoid being in dusty places. She should avoid being in somehow in the pollen also. Avoid being in gardens in spring and thing like that. Avoid eating some foods if you know that you have allergy against, and so on. And at the end also taking medicines that are called antihistamines. If someone is taking Claritine or Clara or Telefast, all of these are antihistamine medicines. Okay, this is about the allergy. We will continue about the cancer. Actually, for the cancer, I will attach also the video from the YouTube that for more information about cancer. As what we said many times, that the cancer is a group of diseases in which the cells divide at an uncontrollable rate. They will not have mitosis normally as usual. They will have uncontrollable division. Okay, and it will be an abnormal cell that will divide abnormally. The immune system may not be able to stop these cells from growing, because one of the functions of the immune system to stop any cancer cell from growing or from dividing. Okay, sometimes these cancer cells can't be detected by the immune cells, so they can grow and divide and divide and divide, and the cancer spread without being controlled by the immune system. So this is a defect in the immune system. The cancer normally every day in our body, there will be some cells that divide abnormally, but our immune system can stop them and can destroy them. This is one of its functions. But it happens, subhanallah, in some people that one cell could be could escape from the immune system, and it can grow and divide until the cancer spread in the body. That's it. Skin cancer is one example, and as what we had in the beginning of the year, breast cancer. Okay, the skin cancer here, it can be caused by the exposure to ultraviolet rays. Always the ultraviolet rays are they are not good and not healthy. They can cause the skin cancer. In this kind of cancer, the skin will be affected in making the pigment of the skin, and this will be also not good for the skin. It can develop to more than this effect. Most of the cancers nowadays, most of the cancers can be treated by chemotherapy, by surgery. Chemotherapy يعني medication, specific medication for immunity, some medicines that will enter to the body to detect the cancer cells and destroy them. But at the same time, they destroy some normal cells. That's why the chemotherapy is very, very heavy on the body, and it has many strong symptoms, strong effects. Okay, surgery, if the part that has the cancer can be removed, it can be done by surgery. Radiotherapy, exposing to waves, specific waves, and other methods. They are following them nowadays, but these are the most well-known methods. You can watch the other video for more information. The other two diseases will come in the next video, and you can start doing the lesson review from now. Okay, thank you. See you.